Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Tallawah at Tara Estates, which is arguably one of the most exclusive and sought after gated communities in Montego Bay and perfect for families and executives. The development boasts 24-hour security, a swimming pool, clubhouse, tennis court, and plenty of space to jog, ride, and play. Tallawah sits on 0.5 acres, which is one of the most desirable lots in Tara, in its own cul-de-sac, with a panoramic view of Freeport and the hills of Montego Bay. This 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom villa boasts its own pool, fully landscaped lawn and garden, covered 2-car garage, covered patio with alfresco dining and the lounge area, and an in-law suite with a bathroom and kitchenette. The villa is being sold fully furnished and is available for purchase as a turnkey short-term rental property, enjoying attractive investment returns. Houses in Tara Estates do not come up for sale often, so call your realtor. Make your best offer and add this gem to your real estate portfolio before it's gone. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 1,650,000 or Jamaican $253.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.